Stick around to find out how you can get your home decor featured in a Mommy Room Redo video. And we'll tell you the winning fan favorite who will be receiving a gift card just in time for Christmas. Stay tuned. Hey good people, welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we'll be wrapping up our fall decor as we deliver the winner to our Mommy Room Redo Fall Decor Roundup. First, I want to give a special shout out to Mrs. Sharon Riddick-Johnson of the Stagecoach. This interior designer was dropping gems in our fall decor video, letting you know how to fabulize your home for the season. If you missed that video, please click the link above to check it out. Alright, so we had 11 lovely ladies that showcased their decor, invited us in their homes, and so we want to give a special thank you to them. We got a wonderful response to the video, and it was one of our most widely watched packages, so thank you so much. We also want to recognize Mahalia. She got a number of votes and she answered each one of her fans personally, so we want to thank her for that. And of course, we want to recognize Peggy. Peggy is our fan favorite. Folks just went crazy over her teal green display, which was inspired by a gift from her daughter. So congratulations to Peggy. You will be receiving a gift card just in time for Christmas. Do you want to be featured in an upcoming video? Send holiday pics or videos of tablescapes, kid-friendly Christmas trees, or decorated gingerbread houses to mommyroomredo@gmail.com. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.